How to change your Snapchat password while logged in. This tutorial shows you how to update your password directly from your account settings. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. From there, tap on the gear icon at the top right to open settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Password under the My Account section. In the next step, enter your current password to verify it's really you. Following this, tap Continue once verified. Once done, enter your new password. From here, confirm it by typing it again in the field below. At this stage, tap Save or Continue to apply the change. Keep in mind, this will sign you out of Snapchat on any other devices you're logged into, so you'll need to sign back in using the new password. Finally, exit back to your home screen once the password update is confirmed. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your Snapchat password, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.